In this video we are going to show you how to remove the navigation and the radio screen from the Toyota Tundra 2014. The tools that you need is just this dashboard removal tool, the blue tool, and plus the 10mm socket. It's very simple procedure. We already made it a little bit loose, so it's easier to remove it. You use your dashboard removal tool, you insert it below the air conditioning control right there, and then you can pop the cover out. Once you get that one out, and then you would be able to put your hand and remove the AC control. That's how you do it. Once you get that one, then you can see the mounting bolts for the navigation or the radio. And this is a size 10mm. Yes, one over there, one here. Yeah, four bolts. Once you get those out, and then you can put your hand underneath the unit, and then you can remove it. And that's it. And if you need any repair for the navigation screen, touch panel, or CD player, the radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. Thank you.